need to, like, we just deal with what happened after the Civil War and all the black soldiers decided they're going to stay here and build. What did they build? I mean, this was the Harlem of the South. But we don't talk about that. You never hear nobody talk about that. But it's up to you. You're Jacksonville. You have to talk about yourself. You got to master this history. This was almost when people left the South, especially the Eastern Seaboard, they went to either two places, New York or Jacksonville. Those were the two places you went to find some freedom, find work, to build family, to build homes. And somehow Harlem got to grow and Jacksonville got to fade because we haven't been put in the history. One of the things they said, learn the history, solve the mystery. Learn the history. You got a mighty history. That people that are youngsters out here need to know. Because a lot of times we ask that question and you look like you're the youngest one at the table, right? And we always ask, where is the youngsters? And what do we say to our youth? Tell them the truth. That's how you get your youth. Tell them the truth. So yeah, and bring them into everything we do, whether they like it. I bring mine scratching and kicking. Whether they like it or not. My daughter, who's a counselor, came from school yesterday. And, you know, the kids, everybody celebrated Valentine's Day. We've never celebrated Valentine's Day. And she had all of these extra things that the children wanted to figure out how to give them for their fun. And it was so sad. I had to pretend like, thank you, baby. Beat us up so much over here. We got to go out in the world and participate in all that stuff. Then we come home and they ain't a part of the household. So how do you make that transition? By teaching them the truth. They can even celebrate the holiday, but tell them what it is. They can celebrate Christmas, but tell them what it is. Let them know what you celebrate. You know how bad I used to be on Jesus. Right? Jesus probably roll up in that tomb 2 or 3 times. Like, I gotta get rid of that nigga. Then I find Jesus is really cool if we use him right. Right. Our older generations knew how to use Jesus. But this 20th century, 21st century, we let Jesus use us. And we got to flip that script back to where it was, because we invented Jesus. You think the white man didn't invent him. The white man just learned how to misuse him. We invented him by other names. So that's why I know there's some good Muslims in the room, or like me, Muslims used to be in the room. Right? And the Quran, the Prophet says, I come not to bring a new religion. I come to restore that which was here in the beginning. Question is, what was here in the beginning? We were the beginning. But do we know we? I can get here. I can come to get a good lecture. Take advantage of a good lecture time. And so I'm happy to be in Jacksonville, and I'm very thankful that y'all brought me down here. I know these things aren't easy, even financially, because ain't none of us got no money. You know, but all of us trying to put together what we got to put together to do what we got to do. But we must be very clear, we are at war. Yes. We've been at war for as long as we've been here. We fought one of the longest wars probably in history. 500 years we fight these crackers. Nobody looks at it like we're at war, but we better be conscious that this is war. Right? And that we've been fighting it, and we've really put at bay the most powerful cracker institution ever created on the planet Earth. Everybody's scared of us, but nobody want to give us the respect due. They haven't done what we've done in the years that we've been here in this place. But we've got to know it. We've got to know what have we done. And sometimes it's so simple. We sit around the table, we see a light bulb. They only got it because of us. We sit around a computer, we see a laptop. They only got it because of us. We get on the internet and we think we just having fun. They only have it because of us. They took the GPS over here just a minute ago. They only got it because of us. We can go on and on something. Nothing these crackers have given. They just had the money to take everything we've given them and build a society. But we need to understand what we gave. That's how you know what your power is. Then you can withdraw that. The power has been the black mind. It's not to make it the black behind. No, it's been the black mind. But you don't want to say it. And it's not just here. If you go to England, same thing. Go to France, it's been the black people that gave them all that technology. still giving them. You know? And so we just have to say, like, okay, in the midst of all this foolishness, how do we retain what we have and restore what we've lost? And the first thing we have to do is get some, what I call historical unity.